guys, welcome to the first episode of Ballpark Eats. My name is Megan Ellis and today we're going to be making Tri-Tip Nachos. So Tri-Tip Nachos are a staple at Petco Park, which is my home ballpark. And they come from Seaside Market, which is located in Encinitas, California. But one cool thing Petco Park does is they bring all local restaurants, a lot of fan favorites, into the ballpark and let them set up stands and serve some of their amazing food. So my go-to, like I said, is the Tri-Tip Nachos, so that's what we're going to be recreating today. So, I bet you guys are wondering, what the heck is Tri-Tip? So Tri-Tip is a cut of the meat. It was originally called the California cut, and it is made famous in Santa Maria, California from one of their barbecue festivals. This is the cut that they would use, and that's how it got its popularity. It is just like a regular sirloin, but it's more economical and it is a lot more flavorful. So it is the bottom triangular piece of the sirloin, and the best way to cook it is grilling, but since I don't trust myself with the grill, we're going to try the oven method today. It already has its marinade on it. I bought it at Ralph's with the Santa Maria marinade because why not go from where it originated from and use their type of marinade. So I have it on this tray and it has a little bit of a lip to it just because there are going to be juices that are flowing when you cook in the oven, so you want to make sure that those don't spill out everywhere. So I preheated the oven to 375 and we're going to put this in for about 40 to 50 minutes. Go for 40 if you like your steaks a little bit rare. If you like yours a little bit more well done like I do, then you're going to cook it for 50. So we went ahead and took the Tri-Tip out of the oven. It looks fantastic. I'm actually really excited. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this up and we'll see where we go from there. So I went ahead and cubed the Tri-Tip, tried to cut it against the grain a little bit and then cut into cubes going with the grain. And let's assemble our nachos now. Okay, so to assemble the nachos, I just have some regular chips from the store. We got our cheese over here that I heated up on the stove. We got the Tri-Tip, some chopped green onions, barbecue sauce, and some cilantro lime, sour cream. So first what we're gonna do, one tip I learned actually, is you stand the nachos up, that way we can get cheese in all the crevices. So that's one of the best life hacks I've learned. So go ahead and put all the cheese on. And let's do one more scoop for good measure. Okay, put that over to the side, and then let's put on some Tri-Tip, some gum, some sauce. So for Tri-Tip, just put a couple on here. At Petco Park, it is cut a lot smaller, but I figured let's go for some nice little cubed ones. Let's actually go for this piece here. So I'm trying to go for the smaller cubes I see. Okay, I think that's good for that. So next we're going to go with sour cream. So I like this one because it's cilantro lime, but you can also drizzle it over, and that's a very like authentic Petco Park look. And the next we'll go with some barbecue sauce. This one doesn't have exactly a squirting thing, so I'll just kind of have to carefully, lightly dust it over. Okay. And I just want the normal hickory smoked barbecue sauce. And then lastly, you'll take your chives and just sprinkle them on top. And voila, you have Tri-Tip Nachos. These are phenomenal. One thing I would say is to definitely cut the Tri-Tip into smaller bites, especially since it's nachos. But very good, cooked all the way through the way I like it. And it's very tender, very flavorful, and it's just all around very good. I'm gonna actually bring this closer so you can see. So if you end up making these, please take a photo and tag us at Ballpark Vibes. I'd love to see you try this out. This is my favorite dish at Petco Park, along with the spicy mac and cheese. So maybe I will have that one coming up next in a next episode. But for now, this is Megan Ellis. This has been Ballpark Eats, and I will see you guys next time.